Welcome to Vedic Mathematics for Schools. Today in this lesson 3, the focus is going to be upon double-digit numbers. In lesson 1, our focus has been upon single-digit numbers. And in lesson 2, we had focused upon the factors of these numbers. In these two lessons, we have been availing Sutra 1 rule Eka Adhikena Purven, one more than before, more than the previous number, and we had also taken as that there are addition and multiplication as two distinct disciplines, and transition from addition to multiplication as well is of two features. Feature 1 has been as that multiplication is repeated addition at base, and feature 2 multiplication is repeated addition at index. Today we are going step ahead, and now we want that we should avail Sutra 2. The text is Nikhilam Navatsha Charmam Dashata. Simple rendering is all from 9 and last from 10. Before going into other details, let us take up at the outset that we are shifting from addition, etc. operations to a place value system. And the place value system being taken up here at the outset is 10 place value system. And this 10 place value system has 1 to 9 as numerals, and 10 is the place value, and this gives us another number 0, and so it becomes a mathematics of 10 entities reaching from 0 to 9, and inherently we are accepting 0 as a number, whole number, and also as that this number is first is even prior to a 1, and this way gives us the definition of 1 as well, being inherently there in the text of Ganita Sutra 1. Eka adhikeन purven. Let us read this text sequentially. It gives us ek, it gives us adhik, that is more than, and here it is purv, the previous value. But if we have a close reading of this text, it will also tell us that ek, adhi, ken, purven. Ken here means a question. One is more than what? So here is a question and answer is purven, the previous value. So 1 is more than what? Answer comes 0. So the text ekadhikeन purven has a question as that 1 is more than what, and answer is 0. And so the rule 0 with 1 more will take us to 1, to 1 more will take us to 2, and so on. It is a sequential organization of the single digit numbers, and it goes on. However, when we reach at 9, then beyond that as well is to be a single digit. However, we see that if we avail a place value system and it gets this mathematics, this number becomes a double digit number. Let us sit comfortably and let us revise what has been learned so far. In lesson 1, we were focusing upon addition as per the rule of Eka Adhikain Purvain, and it was giving us as that here inherent there is a question that 1 is more than what as a question, and answer comes to be 0, and the working rule had been that 0 takes us to 1 as 0 plus 1 is a 1. So here we also get a definition of 1. So 1 may be defined as that it is ahead of 0, and as much as it is ahead, it is being designated as and being pronounced and being accepted as a value as a 1. Now let us see that when we are upon the place value system, then we will firstly, in terms of single digits, we will be reaching 8, 9, and when comes the next stage, you avail this double digit form for it, and it is here where we will have a expression for the previous numbers as a single digit numbers, also inherently transforming as 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 08, and 09 and 10. So all these become double digit numbers. And ahead we will write it 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. Here we will reach at 20, and then we'll reach at 21, 22, 23, and so on. So see that we are here getting a strip of pair of columns, as from 01 we are reaching at 02, which means that we are having 0 in the first column and 1 in the second column, and here 1, here 0 and 2, then 0 and 3, means in this first column there is going to be a constant value 0, while in the next we are having sequential increase as per the rule of Ekadhikain Purvain, and it is this feature that the double digit numbers take us to the pair of columns and also as the pair of rows. Means when we say the pair of columns, we say 0 and 1, 0 and 2, 0 and 3, means the first column, the value remains constant. But when we want to have it, say simultaneously for the numbers 02, 03, then here as well we see there is going to be a expression of a dimonad format. Let me have a pause here, as from this phase and stage the mathematics of place value system will come into play. Therefore, Vedic mathematics teachers' role prominently comes in. It is Vedic mathematics teachers' role, it is their divine duty that they shall carry the young minds along with them and provide them a smooth transition. This smooth transition is that instead of a single column expressions like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, we will be now having a pair of columns available to us, and these pair of columns will facilitate for availing the first column for the constant value 0, and the next column will have a sequential progression as per the rule of Ganita Sutra 1. Once we will be successful to carry the intelligence of the young minds as that they have a smooth transition from a single column expressions as per Ganita Sutra 1 into a pair of columns format as 01, 02, 03, and so on. Then the next will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and so on. The next will be 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and so on. This shift from say 01 to 11 to 21 to 31 is in a way having a pair of rows where as of diamond formats of the first part is having a progression 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, or the second part of diamond here is remaining constant. So this format of expression for double digit numbers is a step ahead. It is a leap forward from the single digit expressions or single digits numbers or single digits mathematics. The first thing which shall be focused is that because of the pair of digits say as 0 and 1, and if we these two digits swap their places, then it will take us from 1 to 10, designated as a reflection pair. It is as if it is a mirror reflection, and 0, 1 is giving image 1, 0. 0, 2 will lead us to 2, 0. 0, 3, 3, 0, and so on. Likewise, 1 to 12 will lead us to 21. 13 will lead us to 31. And 43 will lead us to 34, and so on. Then naturally, many curious urge will be fulfilling the intelligence of the young minds, and to feed that, we have to expose them to a particular organization of writing the numbers, double digit numbers of 10 place value system, as that if from here, instead of extending ahead, we come back to the first stage and then again start writing the double digit numbers. Here it will be 19 and here we will get 20. And like that, if we write all the double digit numbers from 01 to 99 of 10 place value system, then we will reach here at 99. And once we will be having this organization for all 99 double digit numbers of 10 place value system, then see how beautiful pattern will be emerging. And it is this pattern to which the young minds have to be exposed, and they can be put for an exercise, as that if we write all these 99 double digit numbers, and if we be parallel to their patterns, then it will be taking us to as if we are having this particular separation for this particular grade. Let me put it that let us take an exercise of the double digit tables. The full expression for it is going to be of 9 columns and 11 rows. Let us tabulate it with patience, and once we will reach at this tabulation, then we will get a very beautiful tabulation available with us, in terms of which we will be very blissfully understanding as to how the numbers as well are having mirrors embedded in them. It is this beauty of mirrors being embedded in these numbers which will further take us to as that we are going parallel with the reflection feature of sunlight. It is this success of Vedic mathematics to capture and to go parallel with the reflection feature of sunlight, and thereby being successful to make Vedic mathematics as a mathematics of a sunlight. And we will see that this table will get divided as an upper part and lower part along the mirror line 10, 20, 30 and so on. Further, we will also see that if we reach from 11 to 22 and 33 and so on, then the upper part as well is having mirror line, and the numbers in the upper part around this mirror line as well are reflection pairs. Let me put it that Vedic mathematics has successfully organized the numbers of 10 place value system into 9 rows and 11 columns, where this, if we designate it as a grid, divides it as upper part and a lower part, and upper part as well is having a mirror line, and lower part as well is having a mirror line. Once we will be exposing this to the young minds, then young minds with their innocence, fulfilled anxiety, curiosity, urge, will be absorbing the inherent feature of Vedic mathematics as that its mathematical tools, numbers, and the bodies and the sunlight are having parallel mathematics, and it is this feature which is to be cemented. It is this feature which is to be absorbed fully, and Vedic mathematics teachers' duty is that they shall put the young minds and exposing them and stating that count the reflection pairs of this grid of double digit numbers of 10 place value system, and once they will start counting, they will see the first reflection pair is this, the second reflection pair is this, third is this, and so on. And then 112 takes us to 21, and see how we will be getting 29 reflection pairs for the upper part, and their division again will make us two classes of 16 and 13 reflection pairs, and this will take us to the sutras and upsutras, and simultaneously it will take us to the organization of a very, very blissful state of the organization of Shrimad Durga Saptasati, a scripture which is going to be the text of Vedic mathematics, science and technology. We have to sequentially lay foundation so that the young minds grow, the intelligence field of young minds grows parallel with the way the intelligence field of human mind is destined for, and our success shall be indexed in terms of the extent the Vedic mathematics teachers are successful to lay proper foundation for the growth of the intelligence field of young minds. Thank you very much.